Kei te tangi hia te ringa tohu Māori rongonui a Lee Tamahori i tēnei wā, i tana matenga i te mate Parkinson's. I hau te rongo mo tēnei uri o Ngāti Porou, i tana pai ki te kawe i ngā kōrero a te Māori mo te Māori ki te ao whānui. Ko te tino tauira o tērā, ko te kiriata Once Were Warriors i te tau iwa te kau mā whā, i eke a ia ki te rangi tū hāhātanga o te rongonui. O tira i pōhiritia ia ki te āta ringa tohu i ngā kiriata rongonui o te ao, pērā ia James Bond, Die Another Day, i te tau 2002. Kia mātakitaki ake tātou.
Cook the men some eggs.
People are stunned, shocked, talking about it, arguing about it. A hard movie for hard times.
It's okay, man.
The look of that movie, was that the look you set out to get?
Yeah, it was. Black, red, no colour. Māori colours.
I'm very proud of it, and I love that film dearly because we all went out on a major limb making that film.
They come all the way from New Zealand?
They did. All the way from New Zealand?
Did you know they had television in New Zealand?
Yeah, they got
Is he
television.
fucking Maori?
They got television there last year, did you hear?
I just wanted to run it by you.
We are in Iceland, as you can see. This scene is, you know, our megalomaniacal villain, as there always is in a Bond movie, has built an ice palace, as you see here, and a gigantic thing the size of the Sydney Opera House for a one-night event, you know. He's got money to burn.
Lee's a fine man, great man, a warrior, you know.
Lee's fantastic. He's like a kind of bundle of energy that sort of kicks off at 7 in the morning and pushes right through till night.
Did you enjoy Hollywood?
Nobody's your friend and nobody's your acquaintance even, and you can't really wander around having conversations with these famous actors. What are you all going to talk about? I love you, love your work. That's the stuff that fans say in restaurants. I prefer having a few beers on the East Coast with a few mates. You can do the best job ever and you'll still get beat up. I've been beaten up on every picture I've ever made.
The other side of the rail, please. That's the last time I'm saying it. Otherwise you get run over. I suspect when the roll call is made and I've retired out of this game, the films I'll probably be the most proud of will be this one and Once Were Warriors, and the smaller films in many ways.
Nō reira,